What's up guys, Summer here and welcome to another episode of Summer's Auto Marketing Channel. So for today's video, ang ipepresent ko naman ay yung Versa van, which is a 15-seater van ng Mitsubishi Motors. So kung bago pa lang kayo sa channel ko, please hit the like and the subscribe button para lagi kayong updated sa lahat ng videos ko. So let's start the review. Let's go! So guys, this is the Mitsubishi Versa van. It is a 15-seater capacity together with the driver, and then ang SRP niya is 1,649,000. So let's take a look guys. So naka-halogen siya. Halogen lamp siya. Then kamukha siya ng Nissan Urban 350. Actually, dun talaga pinagayahan niya, no? Tapos ito yung design niya, naka-fog lamps, ready na rin siya. So guys, ito naman yung side niya, no? Then yung gulong niya is, ang size is 195 by rim 15C. So 106 by 104 siya, yung size ng gulong niya. So guys, eto nga pala yung driver side ng Versa van. So, naka-fabric yung design ng upuan niya. Then, eto yung adjacent para umangat. And then, eto naman yung adjacent para front and back. Then, 5-speed. Manual siya, no? So, akyatin natin. So guys, ito nga pala yung steering wheel ng Versa van, no? So, simple and walang fancy. Just like the meter cluster. So, analog pa rin siya. Then, it is a 5-speed manual. Then may aircon of course sa unahan and 2-din radio. So ito yung kanyang switch for aircon and fan. Tapos dito rin yung aircon. Then may aircon pa rin dito. Then ito yung glove box niya guys. So ito yung upuan niya. Tapos ito guys, yung cabin lamp niya, no? And then yung rear view mirror. Then wala siyang vanity mirror. Pero let's see dito. So wala din. But it has 2 airbags. So isa dito and then isa sa steering wheel. Yan. So guys, dito naman sa first row ng loob ng van, so may another aircon siya. Tapos meron pa ulit dito. And then meron sa lahat ng side ng ayun, hanggang fifth row. Then eto naman yung switch niya guys sa fan. So, ito naman yung loob, no? Yan, hanggang 4th row, guys. Tapos, 15-seater together with the driver. So, pwede din meron sa gitna. So, okay to na pampasada ng van, actually. Tapos, malaki yung loob niya. Then, malaki rin yung space niya. Tsaka dito. Then, etong tatlong upuan na to, natutupi. So, ito naman yung likod ng Versa van, no? Actually, pwede mong i-fold yung mga upuan dyan. Tapos, ito yung loob. So, guys, ang sukat pala ng van is 4,710 mm. Then, ang height niya naman is 1,695 millimeter. Then, ang width niya naman is 1,990 millimeter. So, ganun siya kalaki. Then, fuel capacity is 65 liters. Plus, yung suspension niya is sa front, torsion bar with stabilizer. And then, sa suspension niya sa rear is elliptic spring. So, yun. Napakahaba niya, guys. So, may pampasada na kayo, guys, at only 48,000. So, that's it, guys. And I hope na marami kayong natutunan. For this vlog. For more inquiries, you can call on my number. That is, makikita dito sa vlog na to. Plus, you can message me on my FB page, which is Summer Sea Diamante Mitsubishi Calamba Grand Canyon. So, see you on my next vlog and bye-bye!